Incremental routines. Let's continue the Supermemo course, the pleasure of expansion. We have seen already the sorting criteria for the element window. Now we will see some extra criteria that only apply to items, not in any other element type. Let's dig into that. Well, difficulty, that is this one. Topics don't have difficulty, it's only items. And for items, we also have retrievability and stability. This is the three-component model of long-term memory: stability, retrievability, and difficulty. We won't cover this now. In the section of the course about space repetition, we will cover this. But just to let you know that if you want, you can sort by this. Now, let me do, since this is topics only, let me guarantee I have, since those are only for flashcards, for items, let me actually open my items so it's meaningful, and then sort by retrievability. This can take a while. I only have 18,000 elements, it's not that much. And here you go. Remember that from the three components of long-term memory, we only have one, that is a difficulty. I can just sort by this. Those are the hardest. In this case, makes sense because it's Greek, that I have just isolated words in Greek, this, the position, and it's just this number in here. And finally, we have retrievability. How likely it is that any time I can recall that successfully during the interval of the repetition. Now, okay. A, what happened here is that I have some dismissed items. Very few, but I have some of them. So do you see that the difficulty is more or less on the same, but hey, there's one the highest is 1.0. Hey, that's different. Because we're not sorting by difficulty, we're sorting by retrievability. That is not a parameter here, it's not visible. But if I click this one, what key factors must be known, Okay, so it's this. The retrievability is just 9%. It's the lowest. So even though I cannot see it where I am in the browser, even though I cannot see it, I can still sort by it. So I can say, hey, I have been on vacation for some weeks. Let me start with what is the weakest already. So what is more prone to be forgotten. And if I need to wait for something that is outstanding, and it will be outstanding for one extra month, not a big deal. And since it's Supermemo and it's subsets, I can do any selection I want. I can filter this by concept group or by search or any filter that we will see in the next video, to use a filter of any combination, any parameter, and then do the subset review. In the order of retrievability from the highest to the lowest, there's a plethora. There are many combinations you could do. The only factor we are pursuing here is that you understand all of that. So when you want something, you have a clear goal or objective, you know how to do it. Oh yeah, then in this case, I need to go this, I need to filter that, click this button, pam, 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 and I get what I want, because the combinations are endless. But for now, that's all you need to know about sorting. Not filtering, sorting. That's all for now, and see you in the next video.